What's up, fam of Liberty and everybody else? Yeah! Some of you know me, some of you don't. I'm not going to talk for very long because the speakers that have been up here already have said pretty much what I wanted to say. I had a speech. I can't remember shit anyway, so fuck it. I said I wasn't going to swear. So I'm going to try to keep the profanities to a minimum.
Go ahead and swear.
I'm here because I'm a veteran. I'm here because I love my country. I'm here because I love all of you, even though I don't know you. And you don't know me. Maybe you do. Maybe you saw me on a video talking about Velveeta Voldemort and his buddy Vladimir Futon, the couch fucker. Maybe you heard me call Elon Musk Elon Muscolini. How many of you in this crowd are veterans?
Yeah!
How many of you in this crowd go to the VA?
Yeah!
How many of you in this crowd have PTSD?
Yeah!
I want to apologize to Officer Dunn for giving him PTSD because we all look like the people from the January 6th insurrection.
We look better. We look better.
I started Sons of Liberty deliberately using the name and the colors, the chopped up join or die snake, specifically because a bunch of guys that I served with in 2015 decided liberals aren't patriots. They said liberals hate their countries. I heard that from civilians too. If I'm not a patriot, why the fuck did I serve and you didn't? Now they're tearing down the VA. They want to privatize it so these billionaires can make money off of you. We don't want to privatize the VA. We don't want you to destroy the VA. Stop firing people from the VA. Honor the social contract that exists with the nation's warriors. We who have borne the battle. That's the motto, the mission statement of the VA. It came from Abraham Lincoln. Guy was a Republican. Republicans like to claim Abraham Lincoln as one of their own. They don't act like it. I'm going to wrap things up because I'm starting to get a little emotional and I don't want to cry in front of all you. I got an image to maintain. How can you serve your country?
Again.
Get involved in politics. Whether you are calling your congressperson, your representatives, your senators, call the people at the local level. Go out and vote. If they're not representing you, primary them. Primary Chuck Schumer.
Chuck Schumer! Send him home.
These people do not give a fuck about you. If they did, we wouldn't be in this mess.
Keep your promises. Keep your promises.
Do your job.
These guys don't give a fuck about you, so nobody is coming to save you but you.
My outlook for life.
If you're a civilian and you never served, that's fine. Guess what? You can still serve. You don't have to swear an oath. You can honor that oath. Take the freedoms that are afforded to you by the men and women who gave their lives for this country. Call your elected representatives. Write them letters. I don't care if you photocopy a thing that you typed out. You still did it. Send it to them. Do this every day. Go to their offices. Demand an audience with the people who say they represent you. If they don't represent you, primary them. Vote them out of office. Find people who do. There's no such thing as a perfect candidate. But there are people who care about this country, who are not beholden to Donald Trump, an illegitimate vice president who doesn't need to be in office.
That's right.
We all swore an oath to defend the Constitution. That Constitution includes Amendment 14, Section 3, the Insurrectionist Clause.
He should be gone. He should be gone.
It doesn't just include traitors. It includes aiding traitors, such as, pardoning January 6th insurrectionist traitors.
Traitors!
Bullshit.
So fuck Vice President Donald Trump. Yes, I said Vice President. Because we all know who the shadow president wants to be.
A Nazi! A Nazi! He's a Nazi!
Yeah.
So fuck Trump.
Fuck him.
Thank all of you for coming out here to show your support.
We fight, we win.
Maybe I forgot not to swear. Sorry. That's my time for today.
We appreciate you.
Thank you, Big Sarge!
If you follow my channel, 2 claps and a rag.
Let him hear it, everybody!
I